This is going to be our room. Let's take a look. Hey everyone, Elabilita Love Slots. We have just made it to our suite at Bellagio. Wanted to give you a quick tour. When you first walk in, there is a powder room and it's got a toilet. This really beautiful marble vanity, such pretty colors. Nice big mirror. When you step out, we have a living room area, very, very spacious, as you can see. There's a desk area, so you could potentially get some work done. 2 chairs, nice looking couch, really high quality. We have a mountain view here, and you can also see the gorgeous pools. Looks like a lot of people are down there enjoying that. And we have a large TV, a console below with ice bucket, got some wine glasses, cocktail glasses. There is a fridge here, but it looks like the mini bar fridge. Oh, I see. There is a personal shelf in this refrigerator, but not a separate entire refrigerator for your use. But the personal shelf is a nice touch. Some delicious snacks here, just in case. And then as you move into the bedroom, very large space, another TV, some very lovely seating here by the window. A nice view from these large windows. Here's our bed. And then a chest of drawers where the TV resides as well. And then we've got not one, but 2 bathrooms over here. One of these nice bidet toilets that responds when you walk over. And it's got all of these controls here. And a very deep bathtub. There are some items that come along with it. There's a loofah, bath salt, bath soap, and body wash. And then over here, makeup remover towelette, mouthwash, shower cap, shaving kit, vanity set, and a dental kit. So everything you might need here, just in case you forgot something. Then there's this bathroom. This is a smaller bathroom, and yet very well appointed. Again, we have the same kinds of amenities here with a lotion, a hand wash. All of the same amenities that we had in the other restroom. Another one of these great toilets that responds when you walk in. And these controls here. And then this bathroom has a very nice large shower. And here, we don't really know what this does, but we're gonna figure it out. Oh, it looks like you can control the temperature, and then, ooh, I think it's a steam shower. That's nice. That'll be fun to figure that one out. So nice, large shower. Great to have these options. And then there's a closet over here with the mirrored doors. Inside the closet, Large space with hangers. There's a steamer, which is such a nice touch because I don't iron. Nice looking comfy robes here. Ironing board and an iron if you do need that. There are slippers, Bellagio embroidered slippers. A safe for all of the money that you're gonna win. Looks like you could fit a laptop in there. And some more amenities. There's a nice laundry bag here, sewing kit, a shoe glove. Not sure if this is a lint brush. You can use it for what you like, slippers. So altogether, a very nice space for us to spend the next 4 nights while we are here in Las Vegas. So thanks for coming along with Ellabilita Loves Slots on this tour. Today we're spending some time at the Bellagio pool, which is a first for us. We don't usually go to pools in Vegas. I'm extremely pale and I like to stay out of the sun as much as possible. But we were looking at the pool from our room and it just looked so inviting. They have so many different pools. Many of them are in shade, which I love. So let's go take a look. When you walk in, you can pick up towels. And just in case you forgot anything, your bathing suit, flip-flops, cover-up, a hat, sunscreen, they've got you covered here with items that you can purchase, which is nice because oftentimes you get in and you realize, oh goodness, I really want to go to the pool, but I don't have the right stuff. So nice that they have those on offer. Today, it's very breezy, which is making it feel less warm. You might even be able to hear it on the video. Over here, there are some cabanas. So complete shade inside of those little tent areas, and then umbrellas and lounge chairs outside. Lots of options for sun here with shade trees. Very nice. There's a number of nice private cabanas here at the Bellagio pool with indoor and outdoor seating. Lovely. And then lots of really beautiful architectural details. And then there's several different pools. This one over here has a fountain. You can see it's a little bit windy today. What I appreciate about the design of this pool is that there are areas that are in shade and areas that are in sun. So you can choose what you're feeling up to on any particular day. There are people who are walking around to take food and drink orders. I was pleased to learn that they have coffee and iced coffee because this is first thing in the morning for us. They also have breakfast items, sandwiches, salads. And then there is a restaurant called Como. Over here we have Como Restaurant, and there's a bar seating there. It's also a full service restaurant. And then over beyond it, there is a beverage kiosk where you can walk up and you can order beverages. Or they have people who are walking around in blue shirts who will bring items to you. There are some more private areas here. This is reserved for Cypress pool guests. But don't worry if you don't have a reservation. There are plenty of areas here that are open to any of the hotel guests. And there's shade and there's sun. So plenty of options. I ordered an iced coffee. She asked if I wanted a small or a large, and I said a large. And this is like a bucket. This is probably 32 ounces of iced coffee. But I will not be complaining because I'm looking forward to drinking all of it and waking up a little bit on this fine, fine day. I ordered the breakfast burrito, and it is served with potatoes, which are always a friend of mine. And then it comes with salsa, ketchup, and utensils. I'm not sure how well you can see it underneath the umbrella here, but it looks like a very, very delicious breakfast burrito. Yum, yum. Mr. Elabelita ordered the grilled cheese sandwich. He's already enjoyed half of it. Came with pickles. And then he's got a coffee